So I'm going to be helping you find the exact value of sine 195 degrees. So we're going to start by breaking 195 into something easier to work with. So 195 could be 180 plus 15. So you could write it as sine 180 plus 15 degrees. Okay, and then now we know from the unit circle, we know that sine 180 plus theta equals a negative sine theta because 195 is in quadrant 3 where sine is negative. So sine 195 degrees is going to be negative sine 15 degrees. So we know that negative sine 15 degrees. Okay, so now we need to find sine 15 degrees. So we know that 15 degrees isn't a special angle. So we're going to use two angles that are 45 and 30. That's because 45 minus 30 equals 15. And both have the exact sine and cosine values that I could use. So we're going to be using the sine difference formula. So this is our formula. So it's sine A minus B equals sine A cosine B negative cosine A sine B. And then we could label A as 45 degrees and then B 30 degrees. So we just gotta plug in our values. So we know that it's gonna be sine 15 degrees because of the calculations we did there. Degrees equals sine 45 cosine 30 negative negative cosine again A, so it'll be 45 and then sine equals 30 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna substitute the special angle values. So I'm gonna list it right here. So sine 45 degrees equals negative or square root 2 over 2 cosine 45 degrees is the same as square root 2 over 2 cosine equals negative 3 over 2 sine 1 over 2. So we're just gonna plug in these values. So instead of the degrees, we're just gonna import this into the formula. So this is gonna equal square root 2 over 2 multiply negative square root 3 over 2 minus square root 2 over 2 parentheses 1 over 2. So so if you calculate this, like put this in your calculator, you're gonna get square root 6 minus square root 2 over 4. Okay, so I meant to put the negative sign in front. Okay, so there's a negative sign in the front, which means that we have to multiply the whole numerator by -1. So we need to, okay, so we're going to rewrite it down here. So, -1, square root 6, square root 2, 4. So we're going to distribute the -1 to both terms in the parentheses. So we're going to get negative square root x plus square root 2 over 4. And we usually write the positive term first. So we equal this to, so sine 195 degrees equals square root 2 negative 26 over 4. That's our answer, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.